You know how when you see an awesome commercial online for a badass ring and you click on it, you fall in love with it, you get ready to order, and then boom, it hits you. You don't know your ring size. Let's fix that. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Archie here from Manly Bands, and today we're going to be talking about the importance of making sure you know your ring size. Rule number 1, don't guess. And as Abraham Lincoln once said, measure twice, cut once. You idiot. Pretty sure he said that. Anyway, if you guessed, you're going to end up like one of these guys. It's not great. We have 2 easy options for you so you don't have to guess. You know what it's like to plug in a USB cable right the first time without having to look? It's the same feeling as getting a ring that fits on the first try. We can't always be that lucky. I wish. I mean, if we were, then Atlantic City would have been different. The first option we have here is our traditional ring sizer. Unlike a lot of other ring sizers you see out there, these babies are closer in width to our actual ring sizes, so they're even more accurate. You want to start off by popping them out and trying them on until you find the right size. And the rule of thumb, or I guess it would be the rule of ring finger, is you want to find the smallest size that fits over your knuckle, and then you should have to twist it a little to get it off. So again, you want to feel a little resistance getting it off, otherwise it'll fall off when you're doing manly things like washing the dishes. What? Well, I like washing the dishes, all right? I'm a grown-ass man, okay? It's meditative. Maybe you should try it, Corey. I've been to your apartment. Oh, fun fact, did you know the official name for the ring finger is actually the digitus medicinalis, also known as the fourth finger? And the reason it was adopted as the ring finger is because ancient Egyptians believed that there was a vein in the fourth finger known as the lover's vein connected to the heart. And as awesome as this story is, none of it's true.
What is this foul sorcery?
We highly recommend you wear your chosen size around throughout the day to ensure you're picking the perfect size. Why? Well, because your hand can expand or contract throughout the day during work and play. That rhymed. And we want you to feel victorious in your ring size choice when you go to order your Manly Band. So when you order the Manly Ring Sizer, you will automatically get a code for 20% off your next purchase, which in most cases will more than offset the cost of the Ring Sizer entirely, and you won't have to worry about any last minute size exchanges because you will have nailed your size, homie. What? I'm sorry. Now, if you're looking at one of our meteorite rings or even one of our Jack Daniel's whiskey barrel rings, which I actually made a video about earlier, I'll leave a link down below if you want to see it. These are made to order, and with every made to order ring purchase, we'll actually send you a ring sizer before we start crafting your ring free of charge. Just be sure to look out for the made to order icon on the product photo. Option 2. Now, be ready to have your minds blown because this is pretty awesome. This one we like to call the Manly Bander app. It sizes your finger on your phone.
By the gods!
This is a pretty painless process. I'll leave a link down in the description below if you want to test it out, but let's go through it together. Nine and a half, instant success. Now with this method, because there is room for human error, we recommend you repeat the process 3 or 4 times just to make sure you get a good, accurate read. There you have it, 2 ways to find the size of your digitus medicinalis. Not a euphemism for anything, but if you have any questions or need help with the process, please feel free to reach out. We are here, we are happy to help. And if you found this helpful, please feel free to do me a solid and give that like button a tap-tap-taparoo, thumbs up. And consider subscribing for more helpful content like this. Until next time, one of these days it's going to stand up and you're all going to freak out.